Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Purushottam Patel. I am from Dream India School, Raigad, Chhattisgarh, and today we are going to start class 7 civic subjects. Important topic our equality. Okay, I hope you are very well, and we will discuss about the equality. Okay, so what do you mean by equality? Equality have the equal right and equal property and equal share the opportunity. Okay, so equality defines the equality, that means equal in a various aspect. Okay, first equal in a religions. Okay, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, equal in religions and equal in gender. Okay, and equal in a race and equal in a place of birth. Okay, and equal in a every manners. So equality means equality is the situation in which everyone has the same right and the advantage. Okay, so this is the definition of equality. Equality means the situation in which everyone has the same right. How many types of the rights in constitution? Basically 6 rights in our constitution. Okay, we will discuss in the next slide also. And the no discrimination, it is also important points. That means no discrimination to the others and have the equal opportunities and the equal rights and equal advantage to share the resources and to utilize the resources. This is called equality. So the next one is opposite of equality. Opposite of equality means inequality. That means does not share the equal right to the others. Then this is called inequalities. So how many types of the inequality? Basically 3 types of the inequality. First one is social political inequality. Second one is economic inequality, and third one is health inequality. Inside the each inequalities have defined gender inequality is a part of socio-political inequalities. Okay, we discriminate the genders, male and females. Okay, inequality in family, we discriminate the girls and boys, and we discriminate the capacity of the girls and boys. Okay, education inequality, we discriminate the weak and the intelligent childrens. Okay, in some schools also. And a class inequality, caste inequalities, urban and rural inequality. It is a inequalities that include in a socio-political inequalities. And economic inequalities include employment inequalities, unemployment inequalities. Okay, poverty inequalities. This is the economical inequality. Okay, by which we can lose our economic condition. Okay, so health inequality include health disparities, nutrients inequalities. Okay, healthcare inequalities. So this is the examples, and they are also the types of the inequality. And how many fundamental rights in our constitution? Basically 6 fundamental rights in our constitution. Okay, and one of the important right is right to equality, because the chapter name is equality. So right to equality is important. From the article number 14, equality is defined. Okay, 14 to 18. Right to freedom, right against exploitation, cultural and education right to freedom of religions, right to constitutional remedies. These are these are all our rights that are mentioned in our constitution and provided by our constitution. Okay, and in our constitution also have the right to education. Okay, right to education in article number 21A. Right to education means you have to go to school, you have the right to go to school. Okay, this is the important right for education purpose of all the children. Okay, and right to children to free and compulsory education. Okay, and these amendments in 1 April 2010, this start free and compulsory education for all the children. Okay, and this proposed by the Kapil Sibal, Ministry of Home and Resource Development. This is important. And the next one is right to equality. We already mentioned right to equality is our fundamental rights, and right to equality, this start from the article number 14. Article number 14 defines the equality before the law, and article number 15 prohibition of discrimination on the ground of religions, race, caste, sex, and place of birth. Okay, this is the important right. Article number 15. Article number 15 defines you cannot prohibit and you cannot discriminate of any person based on the religions, based on the race, based on, you cannot discriminate any person. Okay, so you cannot discriminate any person based on the religion, based on the race, based on the caste, based on the sex, and based on the place of birth. Okay, so this is the important article of the right to equalities. And the next article number 16, article number 16 is also important. Article number 16 define the equal opportunity. That means you have an opportunity to get the public job. Okay, and article number 17, abolition of the untouchability. Untouchability is also a topic in your chapters. Okay, so article number 18, which define the abolition of the titles. You cannot get any titles from the foreigners without the permission of president. Okay, so the next one is universal adult franchises. Universal adult franchises, which defined we have the right to vote when your age is 18 years or 18 years more, then you have a right to vote. Then this is called universal adult franchises. And you will also have the rights to worship any types of the god and goddess. Okay, so that means you have the worship rights and to share their ideas. Okay, and but to you not abolition of any others. Okay, that means you have the equal share to rights and to worship. This defines the India is the secular country. And the next one is gender inequality. Gender inequality is also another things. Gender inequality means you have a right, that means you cannot discriminate to the male and females. Okay, that means gender inequality, inequality in the laws, also in our constitution. Article number 14 to 18 define the equality in the law. Okay, that means justice for all. And the next one is untouchability. Untouchability means you cannot discriminate the other person based on their caste and subcaste. That means you cannot discriminate the peoples basis on their caste, their religions, and their subcaste. So this defines the untouchability. In article number 16, you already mentioned in article from 14, article number 17, abolition of the untouchability. So untouchability is also important things. Okay, so this is your portion of class 7. Okay, so next we will discuss the your books chapter. Okay, so let's start. So this is your books and unit 1. Unit 1 name is on equality. Okay, on equality, in our first this is a cartoon, and in cartoon defines the Kanta and Suja and Sahab's. Okay, Sahab's condition and Kanta's story. In a Kanta's story, we defines the inequalities of the Kantas. Okay, and next one is in this areas define the equality definition and equal right to vote. This is the universal adult franchises. Universal adult franchises, this is called universal adult franchises. That means the right to vote, which whose is 18 or 18 year more, who have the right to vote, then this is called a universal adult franchises. Okay, so Kanta is excited to vote and happy. So if Kanta doing works in other homes, but Kanta have a right to vote and happy. So this is called universal adult franchises. And the next one is other kinds of the equality. That means various kinds of the inequalities in our India's. And we already defined the kind of the inequalities: socio-political inequalities. Okay, economic inequalities we already mentioned in our slide. And next one is Juthan. Okay, Juthan is the important books of the Om Prakash Valmiki. Okay, we already discussed about the Om Prakash Valmiki's story in this chapter. So in this chapter we already discussed about the Om Prakash Valmiki story. So Om Prakash Valmiki, famous Dalit writers who wrote the Juthan book, okay, and who wrote its uh, about Om Prakash Valmiki. He wrote his story. In this story, Om Prakash Valmiki sweep the school and the playgrounds, order of the headmaster. Okay, so this is the condition of the Om Prakash Valmiki. That means unequal behavior in school. So Om Prakash Valmiki story is important, and this is the important definition. Dalit means broken, or by using the word lower caste. Okay, so what do you mean by Dalit? Dalit means the broken, or using the word for the lower class who have the unequal right. Okay, so this is called Dalit. And the next story for the Ansari, Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, who find the room for the rent. Okay, but their caste not belongs to the upper caste, so for this reason not get any rent of any house. So this is the condition of the Mr. and Mrs. Ansari story. So this is also important story in this chapter to define the unequal condition. Okay, and the next one is uh, in our chapter also define the dignity. Dignity means your internal things, okay, by which you can do your works in a freely minds. That means if your dignity is violated, then you cannot do any things in a proper manners. Okay, so dignity is important. And next one is equality in Indian democracy. Okay, so in our constitution have the right to inequality from article number 14 to 18. We already discussed in our slide. In constitution have the democracy. Okay, so equality in India in a democracy, that means in our Indian democracy have equal right to vote, right to uh, tell some things if your rights are violated. So this is your chapters. In this chapter we already discussed the rights of the children in schools. Okay, so I hope you are doing very well. And this is the last topic, challenges of democracy. How many types of the challenges in our democracy, in our constitution. Okay, so many types of the challenges, because society is have the discrimination of the rich and poor families. This is also the disadvantage of the democracies. Okay, that means various types of the challenges in a democracy. And discrimination based on the religion, discrimination based on the capacity of the boys and girls, that means gender inequality is also challenges of the democracy. That means equal have right to votes. If not, if you do not give the right to votes in equal opportunity, then also it is the challenges of the democracy. So this chapter we already covered all the topics. Okay, and this is your question answer. I hope you are doing very well. And article number 15 is important, and I hope you are doing very well, and you also do your assignments. Okay, if you have any doubts, then you directly consult me. Okay, thank you very much to all of you.